Welcome to this guided meditation voiced by kids. Today, we embark on an enchanting journey of self-expression and creativity as we explore the world of face painting. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Together, we will dive into a magical realm where imagination knows no bounds. Are you ready to experience the joy and wonder of getting a face paint? Let's begin. Imagine yourself in a vibrant and bustling carnival, surrounded by laughter, music, and the enticing aroma of cotton candy. As you walk through the colorful booths, you come across a magical face painting stand. The artist invites you to have your face painted and unveils an array of dazzling colors and designs. Take a moment to choose the design that resonates with you. It could be a majestic butterfly, a fierce tiger, or even a mythical creature. Let your imagination guide you in selecting the perfect transformation. As you sit in the chair, feel the anticipation and excitement bubbling within you. The face painter gently brushes the soft bristles of the paintbrush across your skin, starting with a delicate stroke. With each stroke, imagine the vibrant colors blending together, creating intricate patterns and shapes that reflect your chosen design. As the brush moves across your face, feel a sense of wonder and transformation. Each stroke carries with it the magic of the carnival, infusing you with the spirit of joy and creativity. Allow yourself to fully surrender to this experience, embracing the freedom of self-expression and the thrill of becoming someone new. As the face painter finishes the last stroke, take a moment to admire the masterpiece that now adorns your face. Look into a nearby mirror or envision your reflection, and see how the face paint has brought your chosen design to life. Notice the way it accentuates your features and allows your inner light to shine through. With your new face paint, Feel a surge of confidence and playfulness within you. Embrace the character you have become, letting go of any inhibitions or worries. Allow yourself to fully embody the essence of your chosen design, and experience the world from its perspective. Take a moment to appreciate the artistry and creativity that went into your face paint. Acknowledge the talent of the face painter and the joy they bring to others through their craft. Express gratitude for this magical experience, and for the opportunity to express yourself in such a unique and playful way. Take a moment to admire the other children at the carnival, each with their own face paint designs. Notice how their faces light up with excitement and confidence, just like yours. As you interact with them, feel a sense of connection and camaraderie, knowing that you are part of a community of colorful characters. Imagine engaging in playful activities with your fellow face-painted friends. Together, you embark on imaginary adventures, exploring magical realms and embarking on exciting quests. Feel the sense of camaraderie and support as you collaborate, and use your creativity to overcome challenges and unlock new possibilities. As the day at the carnival comes to an end, the time to wash off your face paint approaches. With each gentle splash of water, feel a sense of release and gratitude for the experience you have had. As the colors fade away, know that the memories, the joy, and the confidence you gained will remain with you. Reflect on the lessons of this guided meditation. Remember that just as face paint can transform your appearance, it is the inner light and spirit that truly shine through. Embrace the uniqueness of your character, and celebrate the beauty that lies within you. Carry the spirit of face painting with you beyond this meditation. Let it inspire you to explore new facets of your personality, to be bold in self-expression, and to embrace the magic of creativity in all areas of your life. Remember that you have the power to bring joy and wonder to yourself and others through the simple act of self-expression. As you come back to the present moment, take a deep breath and gently open your eyes. Feel the renewed sense of confidence and playfulness that face painting has awakened within you. Carry this energy with you throughout your day, allowing it to inspire you to express yourself authentically and to embrace the vibrant colors of life. With a smile on your face, step into the world as your true self, knowing that the magic of face painting and self-expression is always within your reach. Embrace the joy, wonder, and creativity that lie at the heart of this experience, and let it guide you to new adventures and opportunities for self-discovery. Remember, whenever you feel the need to explore different aspects of your identity, you can always return to this guided meditation in the magical world of face painting. Allow it to ignite your imagination, boost your confidence, and remind you of the limitless possibilities that exist within you. As you go forth, let your face paint be a reminder of your unique character and the power of self-expression. Embrace the magic within you and let it shine brightly, spreading joy and wonder wherever you go. Thank you for joining us today. Please subscribe for more meditation content. Like or share this video.